Hello, everyone. Welcome to part three of Lab CKAD 65. I left up part two. I was struggling to figure out why the pods were not coming up. And I did some research. I'm still not clear, but I'll give it a shot. So, looking at uh, the pods events, uh, I'm a little confused about which ones are still not good. Okay, describe pod. These events, I'm not sure which ones are still happening and which one is resolved. Also, there's confusion between CM1 and data. They're two different volumes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a YAML dump of the deployment and destroy the deployment and start from a simple one and see if I can figure it out, if I can add the configs that I need to get it to resolve. So let's get get deploy foo dash redis minus o YAML and save it to D for deploy YAML. File is saved. Now I can delete the deployment. Delete deploy foo dash redis. It's gone. Now let's simplify. Let's save a copy of this just so we can get back to the original. D.yaml to save.yaml. Now let's edit the d.yaml file. And the problem, we don't need these things. These things are extra anyhow. So looking at the volume, that's where the problem is coming in. And we can delete anything in the status column too. Do this bit. We don't need any of that. In fact, I don't think we need that file. So yeah, we know all about that. Okay, so these are all part of status. We don't need that. I think we already have the replication set somewhere else. Yeah. So let's look at the volume now, because that's where the problem's coming in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually comment out one of the volumes to make to see if the other one's working. So let's do under pod. There are two volumes, and I'm going to delete the config map just to see if the data one is working or not. And I have to delete the same thing from container part of it. So now all I'm trying to make sure is that the first volume did get mounted. So, okay, apply minus F d.yaml. Let's see what that does. So, okay, get pods. I think we still have a problem. Oh, it's running. Okay. Then why is it not scaling up to 3? Oh, maybe because I have too much CPU in there. So let's delete that. Let's delete deployment foo dash redis. And let's edit the file again. And this time for CPU, we're just going to give it like really small one, like 100, which is one out of 10 out of 1,000, or anyway, 1/10 anyway. So that should be enough. Let's run this again. And let's see if that got us. Okay, that's good. So now we have the data one working. In the next video, I'm going to try and add the config map as a volume in a simple way and see if I can make that work. All right. I will see you in part 4 of Lab 65. Part 4 of Lab 65.